Yes. Hello students. How are you? Fine. Good. So today we have come with an information that your study line is now going to start from today, and just I am starting subject science physics for class 10th. Okay, so you are welcome in the new session or in the new class, that is class 10th, and again you are welcome in the first part of this topic or this chapter, that is chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. So in this part we will discuss different points related to reflection of light as well, and then we will go through part wise through the chapter, and one by one I'll clear you here, and I'll try to convince you very well so that you can encourage yourself and then go through the exercise chapter and then solve. So first of all, you take a copy and pen whenever you just see this video. So take a fresh copy and pen, and what I am telling you, what I am writing here, if you are just getting it properly, then you note down. Okay, and if you are having any type of problem, then you can contact me as well, and also just you pause the video, and what you have noted on your copy, just you discuss yourself, and then just you see video again and again, so that your problem can be sort of paid here in very short time. So just if you are getting any type of confusion, then just you see video again, that what we have discussed in the particular topic. So today I am going to now start chapter number 10, that is light, reflection and refraction. So before that, just I want to discuss what is light. What is light? So what we have studied light, about light in class 8th as well, 9th as well, and then in 10th. So light is nothing but a form of energy. But light is nothing but a form of energy, and that can only be transferred from one medium to another medium. Note it. Light is a form of energy that can only be transformed from one medium to another medium, that is called light. So what is its property? So property of light here, so property of light here, either it can transmit, either it can be transmitted or returned, either it can be transmitted. So question is that where it will transmit? So the object or the transparent object that has tendency to absorb that energy is able to transmit the light. Okay, and return the object that is unable to absorb, it gets rebound towards the initial direction in the same medium, is called reflection. Okay, and this return in the same medium is known as reflection. Okay, if a ray of light is falling on this board, if a ray of light is falling on this board, that means the nature or the virtue of this board is unable to absorb fully or transmit through it. That's why it allows to the light that you come here and striking on the board and then return. Okay, that means this is the object from where light will return, and this is known as reflection. So reflection is what? So reflection is the process in which a ray of light is rebound or returned in the same media, in the same phase, is known as reflection of light. Okay, understood? So what is reflection? What is transmitted? And this transmitted light is known as refraction. Refraction, that means transmission. Refraction, that means transmission. Transmission, that means from one medium to another medium. Okay, now our next topic is laws of reflection of light. Laws of reflection of light. So make your heading here. What is laws of reflection of light? So laws of reflection of light. Laws of reflection of light. So this laws of reflection of light is very well known topic, as you have studied in class 9th. In place of light there were laws of reflection of sound. Remembered? Yes, laws of reflection of sound, that was there only, but here laws of reflection of light is coming. Okay, so laws of reflection of light states that laws of reflection of light states that first the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal lie in the same plane. Just I'll show with the diagram here also. So first law states that the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal, this normal is perpendicular to the plane of surface. So normal lie in the same plane. And second one, the angle of incidence, and the angle of reflection of angle of reflection is equal. That means the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection is equal. Now we are getting some points from here, that just I am showing this thing with the help of diagram. Then so this is called normal, this is called so make this just so make this yes. So here we are looking that this is an opaque object from where after striking the light it is getting returned in the same medium. If this is mirror, if this is opaque, an opaque object, an opaque object, an opaque object, this is known as incident ray. This is known as incident ray. Incident ray. And this is known as reflected ray. This is known as reflected ray. And this is known as normal. Okay, so our first point is telling the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. That means this incident ray, reflected ray and normal, all these three lie in the same plane. Just we are looking in the same plane, these 3 points are falling. So this is the first statement of laws of reflection of light. Okay. Second, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection is equal. That means the angle of incidence with the normal, the angle of incidence with the normal, and the angle of reflection is equal. That means angle of incidence is I and angle of reflection is R. So according to the second statement, angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is equal to angle R. Note it. Note it. So this is all about laws of reflection of light here. Now note it. I am going to now erase. Someone wants to erase it? No. This is online class. Okay. So okay. So our next point is spherical mirror. So we are taking a spherical mirror. Why we are taking a spherical mirror? A spherical mirror. A spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Why we are taking a spherical mirror? This is because this is the part of reflection. So mirror is an object where or on which whenever light is falling, then it gets reflect from it. That's why we are taking spherical mirror. So a spherical mirror, this is called spherical mirror. This is called a spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. This is called a spherical mirror. If you are cutting this mirror from its center, it will look like this, and it will look like this. Okay, so this is spherical mirror. Okay, that means if spherical mirror is split equally into two parts, it gets like that. That means this mirror is known as concave mirror, and this mirror is known as convex mirror. So what is concave mirror? Concave, very easy to identify which one is concave and which one is convex. So look me, cave, that means you know cave, yes, cave, lion cave, okay na, cave, okay, gufa, cave. So that if you are having a teaspoon, chammach, then it will look like this. So this is part of cave. So this is concave and this is convex. Very simple. This is concave and this is convex. So I will identify this is concave and this is convex. Okay. So this is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. So in concave mirror, just we are looking here, in concave mirror, the reflecting part is looking like a cave. This is reflecting part. And this side we have colored. Here, this side we have colored. But uplifted part is known as reflecting part here. This is known as convex mirror. Okay. Concave mirror, convex mirror, clear hai? Now, so concave mirror, in concave mirror, just we are looking that the reflecting portion or part of the mirror is inside. The reflecting part of the mirror is inside, while in convex mirror the reflecting part, this one is reflecting part. That reflecting part, that means what? Whenever light is falling on it, then it will reflect from here. So after falling the light, this surface will proceed to reflect. But here this surface will proceed to reflect. So that's why it is named concave mirror and convex mirror. Understood? Now we will discuss more about concave mirror. So just okay, note it. So one by one we will discuss concave mirror as well as convex mirror. Okay. So our topic is concave mirror. Concave mirror. Concave mirror. So just I am making, this is concave, the back portion of the mirror is silver coated. If you see your home mirror which you use daily for looking the face, so in the back side of that mirror, if you just see, then you will get that it is colored with black colored, brown colored, and that is coated with silver coated. Okay, so that light cannot be transmit. Okay, so this is known as concave mirror. This is known as concave mirror. So in concave mirror, this is name of mirror is Mn. So in concave mirror, you know that it was a part of a spherical mirror. That means it has definitely some center. If it is spherical, that means what? It has definitely a center point, obviously a center point, and this center point is known as center of curvature. So what is center of curvature? The center of the spherical mirror, from which the distance between center and the reflecting surface, or the distance between the center and the mirror, is always equal. This is known as center of curvature. Okay, and a horizontal line passing through that is imaginary line. An imaginary horizontal line passing through the midpoint of the mirror, is known as pole. And it is represented by P, and center of curvature is represented by C. Okay na? So again, pole. What is pole? Just I am dictating. What is pole? So an imaginary line drawn from center of curvature to the midpoint of the mirror is known as pole, and it is represented by P. Okay. Now, the distance between center of curvature and pole, is known as focus, and it is represented by F. Again, the distance between C and P. What is C? Center of curvature. What is P? Pole of the mirror. Okay, so the distance between center of curvature and pole is known as focus. Okay, now next one is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Okay. So it is also a curvature. It is also a curvature. That means if it is a curvature, that means what? It has definitely a radius. It has definitely a radius. And this is known as radius of curvature. That means P to C. P to C is known as, PC is known as R, that is known as radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. One important thing is that radius of curvature R is equal to CP, is equal to CP, and CP is equal to CF plus FP. CF plus FP. CP is equal to CF plus FP. And we know that focus is the midpoint of C and P. Focus is the midpoint of C and P. That means this focus is equal to CF is equal to FP. Can we write? Why? Because focus is the midpoint of C and P. C and P. So F is the midpoint of C and P. That's why we can write CF is equal to FP. But here CP is equal to what? CP is equal to what? CF. This CF plus FP. This plus this obviously is equal to this. So here, if we are writing CF plus AP, that means in place of AP, we can write from here CF. So CF plus CF. Can we write? Because CF is equal to FP. So CF plus CF. So CP is equal to 2CF. So CP is equal to 2CF. And CP is, can we write this thing? PC. CP is PC is equal to 2CF. Understood? And this PC is, we have written here radius of curvature R. So R is equal to 2 CF. That means equal to what? Focus, na? This is focus, this is focus. So this is known as 2 focal length. So 2F. So from here we can write F is equal to R by 2. Very important point. F is equal to R by 2. Got it? So what is F? F is the focal length. What is F? F is the focal length. F is the focal length. Clear? F is the focal length. So each and every point just you must write for center of curvature, what is focus, what is pole, what is radius of curvature, what is focal length. So focal length is the half of radius of curvature. Half of radius of curvature, that is called focal length, and it is measured from the pole of the mirror, and focal length is always measured from the pole of the mirror. Understood? So this is all about the concave mirror, but in the next part, that means in part 2, we will discuss or see about the image formation by spherical mirror, before that you must maintain your note copy for being continue with this chapter. So be continue. All the very best.